Hi lovies, just Misty here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a kitchen makeover, a mobile home kitchen makeover. Now this is what my makeover is going to consist of. I'm going to rearrange some of the things that I already have to make it feel like it has a different look. I've also purchased some things to hang up and make new. I've also got some DIYs that I'm going to be adding. So this is what I'm going to be doing in my kitchen to make it feel new and fresh for spring and summer, and I just need a change. So I'm going to utilize some of the things that I have, move them all around, put some things away, and add some new decor that I purchased and made, and make over my little kitchen in my mobile home. And I'm inviting you along. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and instead of me blabbing on like I always do, I'm so excited. It works in my mind. Now it's time to see if it works in real life. So let's make over this kitchen. So this is the before. Very cluttered. I have very limited, counter space, so I feel like everything is just kind of all smashed on here. I kind of feel a little closed in. I really don't have any room for just a few little decorative pieces just to tie in some colors. And for me, I love decorative pieces because it makes your home feel cozy, and I just feel like there isn't any space for that. So, and this just drives me crazy. I feel like this just looks so cluttered. I feel like it's just kind of placed there. So I'm really excited to bring some color and newness to my kitchen. This is the mess that I'm going to start to tackle first. I'm going to arrange all of this and get it organized so that I can take some things off of my counters and put them down here so that I can free up some counter space for pretty things. Okay guys, there it is, all organized. I threw some stuff away that I don't use, and I took my popcorn maker and my mixer. Well, some people call that a blender. We call it a mixer, but I guess that's my mixer. Blender, whatever, off my counters rather, and put them down here. So that's going to free up a lot of space. And look how organized and clean. And I threw away a lot of pots that I don't use. I didn't realize how many pots I had underneath here that I don't use. But when you clean, I guess you do realize how much stuff you have. So this is the stuff that I use on a regular basis, and now it'll be so much more easier to grab and get. So this little mess right here, which is my HP printer, which I keep right beside where I do my desk. This is not my desk. This is my kitchen table. But it has turned into my husband and I's workspace desk. So I usually keep my printer right here for easy access, but I don't like it, and we always catch our feet on that. So what I'm going to do is move this out and put this right in my bedroom, right next to the door on this, which has wheels. And when I need to bring it out, I can just wheel it out. But at least it won't be sitting here because I have a plan for what's going here. Okay, that's its new home. Right next to my Cricut and all my craft supplies. Good place for it. So this is my space over here. This is where my garbage usually sits, and we're going to clean that wall. Do you see that mess over there? That wall and that garbage can is going to get cleaned. But I'm actually going to move my garbage can, clean that wall, and we're going to put my garbage can over here where this was, underneath my bar, because I have a new home for something right there. So let's get this cleaned up. Okay guys. Yeah. This needed to be cleaned really bad. Yuck. My daughter said she wanted to help. How sweet is that? Right, she did a great job cleaning that little space. And I put one of our little TV trays here. So I'm really, really hoping this works because I really want to get my microwave off my counter because it takes up so much space. So I'm really hoping it will fit here because I really don't want to put it over here. I think it'll really like, I don't know, make our walking space down the hall really, really tight, but we're going to give it a go. So my microwave is way over there on my counter over there. I want to get it over here. So let's see if this works. Woo!
Watch that thing.
Okay, so that's the mess. That was all hidden behind the microwave and all that crapola. It's not under the bar. And we put the garbage back where it was. This is where we ended it. So it's not exactly in the kitchen, but it is out of the way. It's in nobody's walkway, and it's still technically right there, and it's not in the bar stool way either. So everybody, I can still put 4 people at the bar, and I think it's gonna work. We'll see. Now that I got this space all cleared out, this was where the microwave was. We cleaned it all up. I want to organize this and make this like my coffee tea space. And as you guys can see right here is my cabinet that holds all of my coffee cups, all of our cups in general. I want to go to the store. I probably won't be able to do it in this video, but I might be able to do it in my next clean with me. As I was cleaning all this out, I had an idea. What if I go get command hooks and put them up underneath here and hang my coffee cups all along here? That's a big space, and that'll free up more space in my cabinet, and it'll just look cute because all the little coffee cups will be hanging underneath here. I don't want to put like eye hooks, like screw in eye hooks, because I think it'll go up through here, but I know command hooks will work underneath here. So my next trip out, that's what I'm going to do. But for right now, I'm going to make this my coffee and tea space. I'm going to use one of my little Dollar Tree baskets to organize it and make it look all cute. I also picked up one of these little canister sets here that lock. I'm actually going to put my husband's coffee in there, and we're just going to make it adorable. Gave me this. I think she made it. So I'm going to plug it in over here. pretty at night. Here's my new dish that I just hauled not too long ago. So this was where all my coffee and everything was. So we're going to give this a really good clean.
You're the opposite of me, like sun and rain, and drama on the TV is full of pain. But we're the good part, the happy ending, unexpected plot twist, we always save me. We're the good part, we never fake it, even if it hurts, we always say it.
Ta-da! Look how stinking cute! If you guys want to find out how I do any of my DIYs that you see in this video today, go check out my Patreon. We're the good part, we never fake it. Like it just like that, kinda like it like that. So we got the table moved, because next I'm tackling this space. But before I do, it's a mess. So we gotta clean that up first, and then we're gonna tackle this.
We keep on telling lies, that is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms, still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms, two different minds, telling lies, that's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive.
Again, if you want to see my DIYs, you have to check out my Patreon.
You know just what to say to make it all
this is the finished product. I absolutely love it. Oh, I think it looks so much better. It has a little bit of a decorative feel to it. I have so much more space. I'm so happy with it. I had to keep my Instapot over here. I used to have it under one of my cabinets, and when I do pressure cooking, that is not a good thing for underneath the cabinet. Look at this space. It's so much better. I think we have to move the table over a little bit. I don't think we put it back center, but I got it cleared off. It looks so much better. I just love that. Don't you think that looks so much better? I'll insert a picture of the before. And then here is this side of my kitchen. Look at how much more space. I just love it. I am so happy. And not only that, but I also got my pots and my pans organized. And while we were at it, we organized all of the Tupperware too. So I will insert a before and after of this side of my kitchen. I just love how this looks. It looks so much more open and less cluttered. Oh, and then I will insert a before and after of this side of the kitchen. So much better. So much open. I have more space. I don't feel so closed in my kitchen. I know it was very small, but it was a big difference for me. We organized, we got clean, and I got my table completely cleared off, and I have a whole new look over there. I don't think I'm done with this space though, because now that I'm looking at it, I think I want to DIY some like sconces that will go on either side of the shelf. And I know I can get beautiful plaques from the Dollar Tree and some candle holders. And I bet you I can DIY some sconces to go on each side. So this space may not be finished, but for right now, I'm in love. It's springy, it's fresh, it's white, it's clean, and I'm really happy with it. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this mobile home kitchen makeover. I love how everything turned out, and I'm so excited. I feel better. I don't know what it is about moving things around, putting things away, putting up some new things. Just tiny little simple touches just make the world of a difference when you're an at-home mom, homemaker who's always in her kitchen. Sometimes you just need that change, and I think I achieved it today. So thanks so much for joining me today, guys. And as always, stay creative. Move some stuff around, add some stuff, give your kitchen a whole new overlook, and take care of you. Be thankful for what you have. God bless, and I'll be talking to you in the next video. Bye, guys.